Hi students, welcome to e-classes, welcome to this session. Here I will be teaching you computers in this year or in this semester. Here the paper is Fundamentals of Information Technology, or in short FIT. In short we can call it as FIT. So today we are going to start Fundamentals of Information Technology. So here, before going to start Fundamentals of Information Technology, first we have to know what is the syllabus we are going to have as the part of our Fundamentals of Information Technology syllabus. Okay, so here as the part of FIT, as the part of Fundamentals of Information Technology paper, what we are going to discuss. So let us discuss that first. Okay, here Fundamentals of Information Technology subject, here there are 5 units we have. Okay, so in our subject there are 5 units. Unit 1, Unit 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so first Unit 1 about introduction. Okay, so these are the topics. These are the topics we are going to discuss in this first unit. Okay, right. First, introduction to computers. So here, first I will discuss characteristics of computer and limitations of computers. Okay, so here the first topic is what is computer. Okay, what are the characteristics of computers and what are the limitations of computers, uses of computers. Okay, so all these things we are going to discuss as a part of first topic. Okay, right. After completing first topic, after discussing first topic, then what is the second topic here? Block diagram of the computer. Okay, so after completing first topic, we are going to discuss block diagram of the computer. Okay, or elements of the computer or the components of the computer. Okay, right. Next, after completing block diagram of computer, then I have to discuss generations of computers. Okay, next topic is what? Generations of computers. So here the evolution of computers are called generations of computers. Okay, so generations are of 5 types. First generation computers, second generation computers, third generation computers, fourth generation computers and fifth generation computers. Okay, so we will discuss in detail about these generations in the coming classes. Okay, right. Next, after completing generations of computers, then we require to talk about types of computers. The next topic is what here? Types of computers or classifications of computers. Okay, so here computers can be classified into several types. Okay, computers can be classified into 4 types. Okay, so mini computers, microcomputers, mainframe computers, supercomputers. Okay, so these are the different types of computers. Okay, right. Next, after completing types of computers, then we will see types of memories. Here we will discuss about what is memory first and what are the types of memories. So here, what is memory? Memory is responsible for storing the data. Memory is responsible for storing the data. Here memories can be divided into 2 types. Memory can be divided into 2 types. First one, primary memory, and the second one is secondary memory. Okay, so here we have to discuss about primary memory Then after we have to discuss about secondary memory. Okay, so types of memories, primary memory and secondary memory. Right. Next, after completing types of memories topic, then we are going to discuss about different input and output devices. Different input and output devices. Okay, so what are the input devices we have and what are the output devices? Okay, so here what is input we have to discuss, what is output. So what is input? The information that is given to the computer is called input. Okay, what is input? The information that is given to the computer is called input, and the devices that are used for sending input are called input devices. Okay, so what are the input devices? Input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, barcode reader, microphone. So all these devices comes under input devices. So we will discuss all these devices in detail in the coming classes. Okay, right. Next, output devices. First, what is output? So what is input? The information that is given to the computer is called input. What is output? The information that is given by the computer is called output. Here the devices that are used for sending input are called input devices, and the devices that are used for output are called output devices. So here what are the output devices? Monitor, printer, plotter, projector. Okay, so these are output devices. Okay, so we will discuss all these things in detail. Okay, next, after completing different input and output devices, then we have to talk about what is hardware and what is software. Okay, what is hardware and what is software we have to discuss. Okay, so here in software again we have to discuss types of softwares. Okay, so what are the types of softwares we will discuss. Okay, so clear. So all these are topics, all these things we are going to discuss in the first unit. Okay, so unit 1 is introduction. So here these are the topics we are going to discuss in the first unit. Okay, right. After completing first unit, then we'll move to second unit. So unit 2 about operating system. Unit 2 title is what? Operating system. In short, we can call it as OS. So OS, what is the full form of OS? Operating system. Okay, right. So in this unit, what is the first topic? Meaning, definition and functions. So here we will discuss about what is OS. Next, what are the functions of OS? Okay, so what is OS and what are the functions performed by OS? So we will discuss. Okay, so here operating system performs several functions. Okay, operating system mainly performs some functions. What are they? Booting. Okay, booting, providing user interface, running programs, managing files and managing hardware. So these are the functions which are performed by OS mainly. Okay, so here what is the second function? Providing user interface. So there are two interfaces, one is CUI and another one is GUI. CUI, full form, character user interface or command user interface. Next, GUI, graphical user interface. Okay, so what is CUI, what is GUI? Okay, next, what are the functions of OS and what is OS? All these things we will discuss as the part of first topic in the second unit. Okay, right. After completing the first topic, then the second topic we are going to discuss is types of OS. So what is OS? Okay, next types of OS. So here operating system can be classified into four types. Operating system can be classified into four types. What are they? Real-time operating system, single user single tasking operating system, single user multitasking operating system, multi-user multitasking operating system. Okay, these are the four types of operating system. So we will see about these types in detail. Okay, next what is the third topic here? Booting process. So what is booting? We will discuss. Okay, next after completing booting process, then we will discuss about DOS. So what is the full form of DOS? DOS full form is disk operating system. DOS full form is disk operating system. Okay, so here in DOS we have to discuss about in commands. Okay, so here there are two types of commands, internal and external commands. DOS internal commands are there, DOS external commands are there. So we will discuss these commands with example. Okay, right. Next, the next topic we will see is wildcard characters. So what are the wildcard characters and purpose? We will see. Okay. Next, virus and hackers. The next topic what we are going to discuss is virus and hackers. So what is virus? What do you mean by virus? Its types. Okay. Next, symptoms of virus. How does it spread? Okay. Next, the major types of viruses. So all these things we will discuss as a part of virus and hackers. So what hackers? So here we will discuss about types of hackers. Okay, right. Next topic is what? Cryptography and cryptology. So what is cryptography and its types? Okay, so we will discuss, right? Next, after completing all these topics, the next topic we require to talk about here Windows. The next chapter in second unit is Windows. Okay, so in Windows we will discuss components of Windows. What are the components of Windows? Next, what is control panel? What is control panel and what are the items under control panel? Next, what are the various accessories? Okay, various accessories available in Windows operating system. Okay, so we will discuss all these things. Okay, all this. So as a part of Windows operating system. Okay, right. So this is about second unit topics. Okay, so this is about unit 1 and unit 2 syllabus. Okay, right. So in the next session we will discuss the remaining units. Okay, thank you.